In this video, I am going to share some information about the difference in digital marketing and traditional marketing. Many people want to know about this topic and they want to know the actual difference between the traditional marketing and digital marketing. So, here I am going to share my own knowledge and my own experience about digital marketing and traditional marketing. So, if you are using a TV ads or newspaper ads, holdings, radio ads, or templates making, then this is comes under traditional marketing. So, if you are using TV ads, newspaper ads, etc., then you are using a traditional marketing way. Or if you are using a Facebook ad, or if you are using Instagram ads, email marketing, search engine optimization, or search engine marketing, etc., these are the terms of digital marketing. So here's some basic difference of traditional marketing and digital marketing is uh, I wrote here. And the first difference is the traditional marketing is very expensive, and if we talk about the digital marketing, this is very cost effective. It means we need to spend very less amount of money as compared to traditional marketing in digital marketing. So we can get a high revenue in a very less expense in digital marketing. So this was the first point, and second point is in traditional marketing there is no tracking things. And if we talk about the digital marketing, here we can track our audience and we can track our campaign. So this is the way to track our audience, and we can get the actual report of our advertisement. So we have more ideas, or we have more things to do in digital marketing. If we talk about the third one, there is no targeting in traditional marketing. And if we talk about the digital marketing, here we can target the specific audience. If we want to target a specific audience of 20 to 25 age, then we can do this in digital marketing, and we can't do this in traditional marketing. So and the second example is, if we want to target a student of computer science engineering, then we can do this in digital marketing, and we can't do this in traditional marketing in a effective way. So in digital marketing, this is the very important that you can do the uh, targeting of your audience. And the fourth one is local location. If we use the traditional marketing with newspapers or holdings or templates, we can do only the local advertisement. This is not enough for us, for our business. We use the TV ads and newspaper ads, radio ads, but it is very expensive for us. And if we do the digital marketing to reach globally, we can do this. We can target any kind of audience of any country or any city. We can do this with digital marketing. And the fifth one is, there is very hard to manage traditional marketing. We cannot manage easily the traditional marketing campaigns. And if we talk about the digital marketing, we can easily manage digital marketing campaigns like Facebook ads campaigns or Instagram ads campaigns, email marketing campaigns, etc. So we can do easily in digital marketing. And we can do the engagement. We can make engagement with our customers in digital marketing. We can use Instagram or Facebook like social media platforms, and we can engage with our audience, or we can engage with our customers, and this will be very helpful for our products and services. And seventh one is there is high revenue in digital marketing. So if we talk about the first one, there is cost effective. Digital marketing is cost effective. It means there is high revenue to us with digital marketing. And in digital marketing, here we have a brand reputation, and we can build our brand, and we can sell our products and services with brand value. And here we can know about our competitor, and we can use their strategies to we can use their strategies for us, and we can promote our products and services effectively, and we get the real time results in digital marketing. So I hope you got information about the difference in digital marketing and traditional marketing. So thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, then please like this video, and please consider subscribe button. And if you have any questions, or you want to appreciate this video, then please comment down below. I I want them. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video.